Yeah, this is your advanced teacher. We are back again on differentiation that involves the limit of trigonometry. Now we have example on the board which says that the limit of x approach 0, that is sine 6x minus sine 9x all over x. Now what do we do here? We have to divide through by x so that we can able to get to the principle of limit. So we have the limit x approach 0, that will be sine 6x all over x minus sine 9x all over x all over x. Now, what do we do? Here, we have sine 6x all over x and then sine 9x all over x over x. So these will cancel out. So we have the denominator to be 1. So now what do we do here? We have to reach the principle of limit, which involve the principles of limit, which says that the numerator and the denominator, they have to be equal. So I have to multiply here by 6 and the denominator also by 6. The numerator of the 9 also by 9, here also by 9. So we are having the limit x approach 0, that will give us sine 6x times 6 all over 6 all over x minus sine 9x all over x times 9 all over 9. So we have the limit x approach 0, that will be 6, that will be sine 6x all over 6x times 6 minus sine 9x all over 9x times 9. Now what do we get? The limit of sine 6x all over 6x will give us 1. That will give us 1 times 6 minus sine 9x. The limit of sine 9x all over x also give us 1 into bracket 9. Or multiply by 9. So when you multiply by this, you are getting the limit of, that will give us 6 minus 9. So our final answer is the limit x approach 0, that will give us minus 3. So this is our final solution for this question. And this is how to solve the limit function involving trigonometry here. Now when we come here, this is example 2 here. This also has the limit of x approach 0, x squared plus sine 3x all over 2x minus sine x. Now what do we do here? Since we are dealing with limit, then we know the principles or the rules of the limit over here. So the first thing I'm supposed to do here is that I have to divide through by x, not x squared. So we are having the limit x approach 0, that will be x squared divided by x plus sine 3x all over x all over 2x divided by x minus sine x all over x. Now this will cancel that. So we have the limit x approach 0, that gives us x plus sine 3x all over x all over 2 minus sine x all over x. Now what do we do here? I have to make the denominator and this also be equal. So I have to multiply the numerator by 3, the denominator also by 3. This one there is already accurate for the limit function. So you'll be having the limit x approach 0. So when you pick the limit, that will be x plus sine 3x times 3 all over 3 all over x all over 2 minus sine x all over x. So now, when you multiply this by this, you'll be having the limit x approach 0. That will give us x plus sine 3x all over 3x times 3. Then we have all over 2 minus sine x all over x. So when you pick the limit of 3x, you get, here will be the limit of this will give us 0 plus the limit of this, that will give us 1. 1 times this, that will give us 3 all over 2. Limit of this will give us 1. So our final answer, x approach 0, that will give us 3. So this our final solution for example 2, and then this is final solution for example 1. I'm your math teacher or your art math teacher. Please, if you love the lesson, just subscribe and leave your comment below. Thank you very much.